My name is Mike Weiss, and I'm the cantor of the Highland Park Conservative Temple, Congregation Anshe Emet in Highland Park, New Jersey. I want to lead you through a quick exercise that I hope will give more meaning to your Seder right from the moment you start. The words I want to focus on are Zman Cherutenu, the time of our freedom. We're not just talking about when God brought the Bnei Yisrael out of Egypt with a series of miracles. That's what the whole Haggadah seems like it's about. We're sanctifying our freedom right now. That's what this sanctification is all about. I want to invite you for a moment to think about what you want freedom to look like in your life. I want you to ask yourself a series of questions. How many? 4, of course. What part of your life would you like to experience more freedom in? It could be related to your job or relationship, family, money, time, email, electronic devices, anything. Just pick one. What is preventing you from having more freedom in that area of your life? Maybe there's a person or some situation that you feel powerless to control, or a habit, or even a thought pattern. What would your life look like if you had more freedom in that area? Really try to imagine what it would look like, sound like, and feel like. Bring the image to life. Give it some detail. And finally, what's one piece of advice you would give yourself right now to get more freedom in that area of your life? Now, you can do this exercise with just about any part of the Haggadah, but we're talking about Kadesh right now. And in fact, that's what we're going to do. Kadesh, sanctify. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, borei peri hagafen. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher bachar banu mikol ha'am, veromemanu mikol lashon, v'kiddushanu b'mitzvotav. ותיתן לנו אדוני אלוהינו באהבה, מועדים לשמחה, חגים וזמנים לששון, את יום חג המצות הזה, זמן חירותנו מקרא קודש, זכר ליציאת מצרים. כי באנו ובחרת, ואותנו קידשת מכל העמים, מועדי קודשך, בשמחה וששון הנחלתנו. ברוך אתה אדוני, מקדש ישראל והזמנים. ברוך אתה אדוני, אלוהינו מלך העולם, שהחיינו וקיימנו והגיענו לזמן הזה. Chag Sameach. Enjoy your Seder.